Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl here, Winnie. Welcome to yet another amazing video. Today we are making coleslaw salad. Yes, coleslaw, which I'm going to serve it with pilau. If you are new here, welcome. This is a YouTube channel where we share amazing tips on homemaking, cooking, organizing, and parenting in general. And kindly subscribe so that we can continue growing this YouTube channel and I can continue bringing you simple yet healthy recipes at home. Yes, subscribe, because 90% of the people who watch my videos have not subscribed. Have you subscribed? So we are making our coleslaw. So our ingredients, this is a very simple recipe that you can wow your guests or your family with, and today don't have guests, it's my family. So our ingredients, you need the cabbage. I decided to shred the cabbage over camera, so this is a well shredded cabbage, small size. We need carrots. We will need mayonnaise. I'm using the egg-raised mayonnaise. You will need salt. You will need black pepper. You will need honey, and you will need juice of 1 lemon. So let me take the lemon because it's not here, it's in the fridge. These are the lemon, and the last one of the ingredient and forgotten is an apple. So let us continue. So the next thing we are going to do is to grate our carrot. So the amount of carrots you're going to put depends with the amount of cabbage you're going to use. So for me, I've just used 2 carrots because my cabbage is not a lot. So next we put our carrot there. Ensure you mix your cabbage and your carrots very well. So we set that aside. The other thing we are going to do, let me use this other. The other thing we are going to use is to grate our apple. This is our secret ingredient to yummy coleslaw. We are going to grate our apple. My grater is. Let me see if it's grating. Oh my goodness, it's not grating. Let me cut. Let me see which side is going to grate. I wanted to grate even the cover, but okay. I think you need a very sharp grater to grate the apples. So let me wash my hands. Now this is our 2 apples that I've grated. So to avoid the apples from discoloring, what you do, you add lemon juice to the apple. So let me squeeze in the lemon juice. If you don't have lemon juice, you can use vinegar, the white vinegar. And I knew that juice will not be enough, so that's why I removed two. And you know, I've injured this hand, and the funny thing, I've been postponing going to the hospital, so I cannot even do heavy, I cannot lift something heavy with it. So these are lemon juice, so you add it to your apple for it not to discolor. And then now that is number 2. You also set it aside. Now we go to prepare our sauce. Now let's prepare our sauce. The last thing we are doing. For our sauce, we will need mayonnaise. So you need like quarter a cup of mayonnaise. So I wanted to finish this one, but it's going to, it's coming out. I'm going to finish it later for it not to waste our time. So we have our mayonnaise, which is like a quarter a cup. We will add in some black pepper. Yes. Then we'll add in a pinch of salt, just a little salt. And then we will add in honey. If you don't have honey, you can use sugar, which is okay. So I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of honey. So if you don't have honey, you can use sugar, which is okay. So, and then you're going to mix very well. Ensure you mix it very well. Once you ensure that everything is well mixed, now you assemble all our ingredients. Now you take the, what do you call it, the apple, you add it in there. Then you add in our sauce. And then now you mix them very well. I am still mixing with the hand. That it's let me take something else. Yeah, this is going to mix better. So you ensure you mix very, very well. And just like that, you have made your family a very yummy and nice coleslaw. So what I'm going to do, I've seen that the mayo is little, so I'm going to add in some mayo. There are people who add onion on the coleslaw, which is okay, you can add it. So this is according to me. So And just like that, our coleslaw is ready. So what I'm just going to add is just a retro mayonnaise. Anyway, it's not adding right now. I'm going to add it off camera. So and just like that, I've managed to prepare my family an amazing coleslaw. We are going to serve it with pilau, which I'm going to make after this, so and I know they are going to enjoy. So guys, hoping you have learned something, hoping you're going to try making this coleslaw at home. It's just as simple as that, as simple as that. If you don't have apple, you can just do cabbage and carrots and mayonnaise only. So guys, hope you have learned. I'm going to put this in the fridge to be chilling there for 1 hour before I serve it. So guys, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe so that I can continue bringing simple yet amazing recipes at home. Bye. Kindly share and leave a comment. And I'm telling you, I want to switch off that camera so that first I can eat a bowl of this coleslaw. Yeah, it's looking yummy, and I'm telling you, even I can see the mayo is just enough. I don't need to add it. The mayo is more than enough. So guys, bye. See you next time in the next video, and kindly don't forget to subscribe. I love you all. Bye, and thank you for 1,000 subscribers. Bye.